Hi guys. So have you ever wondered how movement is going to be for you in UK? Like probably you're coming to the UK, let's just say London, for example, for your first time and you don't know how you're going to do your movement. Probably you're coming for visit, you're coming as a student, and definitely you can't be using Uber every time and you've been thinking, how am I going to leave the airport? How am I going to move from one place to one place? Like, what am I going to do? And then people are telling you, you can use the train, you can use the train, you can use the bus, and you're like, but I don't know how to use the bus. If this is you, then keep watching because when I first got to the UK, I spent lots of money. Like I wasted lots of money on Uber. If you watch my previous video, I spoke about how I was in an Airbnb and then I had to find accommodation. So since I didn't know how to use the bus, even though I already had my card, I had to use Uber and Bolt. Yeah, so it wasted my money. And then when I went online, when I came on YouTube, the videos I found were not as explanatory as I wanted. So I got lost on several occasions, and that's why I decided, okay, this video is going to be very useful to people like myself that needed help and was not like we're not able to get help. So the amazing thing is that if you're coming to the UK as a student, you can always order your student's card, your student Oyster card, and I'm going to be sharing the link on the description box. So all you have to do is go to the link and pick your student, like order your student card, and to be delivered to you. And then the next thing is you have to set up your discount, because as a student you have a certain amount of discount. So if you want to set up your discount, it's either you do it online, or if you get really confused, you can just go to the nearest train station and tell them that you want to set up your student's discount card. So today I've been told to go to Osprey Station Stop O and enter bus 607. I can see I have 12 stops and I'm using my Google map for this. So I literally had to run to stop O because I realized that the bus was leaving. And yeah, I'm here 6 to 7 to White City and I can see all my stops. So basically I'm expected to stop at Christchurch stop X. So it was quite a long ride until I finally got to Christchurch. So I got down, as you can see, and then I walked 3 minutes, just like my map has said, so I can get into the next stop. So yeah, literally when I got down, all I did was I looked at the stop where I stopped. I just started to confirm once again where I was. So Christchurch, yeah, just like it had said I should stop at. So guys, according to my map that I just showed you, I've been told to walk straight and then turn to the next bus stop, and I'm in my water because I don't know how far I might be walking today. So yeah, so I'm just going to switch off my camera and then follow my map. Then when I get to the next bus stop, I'll show you guys. And yeah, when I enter the next bus. Bye, see you soon. So I walked for 3 minutes and I got to Ellen Broadway Center, stop L. I can see I'm to enter 65 Kingston bus. So guys, see the bus, and the bus is about to go. So I had to run. You can see 65. And then this is the, so before you enter, even when you're rushing, guys, please check the bus, check the stop, just confirm you're at the right place. If not, you might enter the wrong bus. So yeah, I ran and I can see all my stops. So I'm stopping at London Museum. So some buses in London, they have places where you can charge your phone. Not all buses, but this one, for example, had and yeah, so I just decided to connect my phone. So please, not all buses. You'll be lucky if you enter a bus that actually has this. I finally got to my destination, guys. London Museum, and yeah, so that's it for the bus. Also, when entering the bus, you have to tap in. So all you have to do is tap in till it shows green, and I use my student card to tap in. And then when you reach your location, you see a stop button on the bus. You just have to press stop. When you see that the next stop is your bus stop, just press stop. It's not like Nigeria, so please don't shout you're stopping here. When you see you're almost at your location, just click stop, and yeah, the bus is going to stop for you. And yeah, you just tap in once, and that is it. So now we're going to be moving over to how to use the train. Using the train in London, there are actually lots of trains, and for using the train, you can use the city mapper if you're in London, or you can use the Google Map. So most times I use my Google Map, but if you want to know an estimated fee of how much you'll be spending, you can check city mapper. But I think Google Map is much more easier, so I'm going to be using Google Map in this video. Hi guys, and yeah, today we're going to be using the train. So I didn't do this video in one day. I did it on like I used 2 different days actually. So I'm currently at work and I'm going to be using the train today. So before you come along with me, I just want to explain something to you. So yeah, when using the train, we have different kind of trains in, at least in London. We have the TFL train. TFL train mostly, like usually, is when you're leaving London. And we have underground train, we have overground train, we have different kinds of train. But today I'm going to be using the underground train, and yeah. So basically I'm going to be going home and you guys will just see how I use it. And yeah, for the train, the same way you can use your ATM card, you can use your phone, you can also use your student card, and if you are coming to London, you can use your Oyster card. So for this video, I'm going to be using my Oyster card. Yeah, and yeah, so let's get started, guys. Let's continue. So guys, first of all, I kept my postcode of where I was going to be going to, and as you can see on the screen, first of all, I'm going to walk 6 minutes, and which I did, and then I got to the underground. So basically I tried to look for the train station, and I saw it at the other side of the road. So yeah, I understood this was why it wanted me to use the underground. Yeah, so basically I'm going to be using my Oyster card, as I said previously. And if you looked at what it said on my map, it said Newbury Park Station, and yeah, that's where I am currently. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I used my card. So unlike when you use the bus, basically you just have to swipe it once, just tap, and then when you come out of the train station, you tap out. That's how it is. You know, for the bus, you just tap in once and you don't have to tap out. So yeah, I'm using platform 1, as you guys already saw on my Google Map. So all I did was look for platform 1, Central Line, as it was on my Google Map, and yeah, I just got here and then I decided to wait for my train. But then when I got here, see Newbury Park Central Ellen Broadway, I could see that I have 9 stops, and these are all the stops that I would be. And yeah, you can also see Ellen Broadway. So that's the train that I would be waiting for. So it's already put the timing. Meanwhile, you guys should be careful when standing close to the train so you don't mistakenly fall. So my train is here, and yeah, I'm just going to be entering inside, and then I'll be in the train throughout all the stops that my Google Map already told me I would be going through. So this is how the underground train looks like. Usually there's no network underground, so guys, please, if possible, you can take screenshots of your map, because once you're underground it won't work. And also you can look at this is always on the train, so you know where you are, you know the next stop, just in case your phone dies or something happens. But usually just take a screenshot of your phone what it shows on your map, just in case. So now I'm underground and there's no network, but I already know where I'm going to, so I'm fine. Remember guys, have a screenshot or just leave it, I don't know, but it's advisable you have a screenshot. So yes guys, as you can see, I'll be going to Liverpool straight and walking for 1 minute, and then I have to enter Metropolitan Osbridge according to what my map said. So right now I'm at Liverpool Street and my map already told me I'm walking for 1 minute. So the good thing about using the train is that everything, signs are everywhere. So I'm at Liverpool Street and my map already told me I'll be using Metropolitan line. So I just looked at what was written and I saw Metropolitan, Hammersmith and City Metropolitan. So I just had to follow the direction of what it was saying, because remember guys, there's no network underground. So it's either you take a screenshot or your Google map is just on so you don't get missing. So Metropolitan line Osbridge from Liverpool Street according to my map. So it's telling me to go up. So Metropolitan is up. So yeah, remember there's no network down. So usually I could have just tapped out like straight up, but then it already told me the platform and it told me I'll be leaving from Liverpool, and I'm already at Liverpool, and it told me I'll be using platform 1. So all I had to do was look for platform 1, or rather platform 2, sorry. So platform 2, and yeah, I literally had to run because I was scared. Who knows? Probably the train has gone. I can't see. So I'm at Liverpool Street and I'm in Metropolitan Osbridge, just like my map has said. And yeah, so sometimes it can be really confusing because the train you're entering might be at the other side, just like the bus might be at the other side. Like you might see the number, but guys, just be patient, just stay where you are. So I finally entered the train and I can see all the many stops I have to go through. 20 stops. Guys, it's not easy, but anyways, this is also here, so you can look at where you are and see how far you are. And yeah, so just in case your phone dies, you can look at this. Is actually very easy once you there. And then one thing about the train is that it also shows, okay, the next stop is this, the next station is this. So if let's say you doze off and you wake up, you can easily know the next station. So finally guys, I've gotten to Osbridge. The ride was like really long, but I could not like record everything because it was also really boring just sitting at the train. And yeah, I just tapped out basically. So it's not like the, or like the bus where you tap in once, you tap in this place, tap in and you tap out. We are leaving the train station, and it has to be the same card. If you notice, I used this exact card when I tapped into the train, and the same one out. Thank you for watching. Bye.